The great thing about this online courses is you will watch me teach. You will see me teach, and you can be the actual student watching me and saying, wow, that's what I'm learning. Thank you, Margie. Because it is a give and take with my students. It's almost like you're a fly on the wall. When an actor gets to watch me on these digital classes, immediately I think they're going to get a sense of hope, a sense of joy. Wow, you know what? This is really fun because Margie's specific, but she's allowing us to bring in so many elements of imagination and creating. And I love that concept that you, in the short term, you'll just immediately understand the power of creation. It's what's so different from the online course to what other people experience in other online courses is they will give you, I think, a very technical method. And they will say, this is going to help you with auditioning, right? Or this is going to help you when you're on set. But the truth of it is, they're just teaching them how to do a scene. They're just teaching them the technical aspects of auditioning. Now, you have to know what goes on when you go into the room. Yeah, when you walk into the room, you need to know what to say to people and how to own the space. But you don't have to do it up here. You walk into the other room when you're coming in. You're walking from the waiting room. When you're walking from the waiting room, you have already put gas in the car. You're now in the middle of life. So when you get in there, you are this person. What is great is you can stop, watch a little piece of it, and process it, which you can't do when you're studying in a class. I love that part of it. You get to process it, you get to stop and say, okay, digest it, and then perhaps look at another piece. Rather than having the whole thing down in 2 hours or however long it is, you get to do it in pieces. I think that's really helpful. If I was to pick out the one thing that actors would achieve by watching these online courses, I would have to say the enormous confidence you're going to feel. And actors tend to want to do well on a particular audition. They want to do really well when they're in a movie or in their play, but to have the confidence to own a person, to live in their circumstances, to believe the circumstances of what this character's life is about, to feel that you don't have to worry that you have, if you make a mistake, if you're imperfect, how fabulous is that? Because if you're imperfect, what are you? A human being. I think it's a tremendous relief. I think it's a tremendous sigh of relief.